Machine Sentry Next Generation.
It is recommended that when using Machine Sentry, you should use component templates to create point structures. However, a user can create their own points within the hierarchy structure. To do this, you must firstly go to the component level in the hierarchy. Once you are here, you need to go down to the three-dot menu, which is next to the point name, and select Add Point from the resulting drop-down menu. Similar to adding assets and components, you will receive a window in the middle of the screen to add point details. We first need to give the point a code and a naming reference. These references need to be clear and appropriate for the particular data point you would like to add. The next drop-down menu is for point type. There are 6 types of points that we can add to Machine Sentry. They are process, vibration, oil sample, visual inspection, lubrication, and thermal. You need to select the point type that is applicable to the data you would like to collect. Some of these are self-explanatory, but process, for example, will allow you to enter numerical data for any particular parameter you require. Visual inspections allow us to enter inspection and watchkeeping information for any asset or any other requirements you may need within the business. There are a number of standard templates built into the platform just for this, but we can also create bespoke inspections, which we will cover in another video. The final field here is the template, and this differs depending on the point type you are trying to add. Pay close attention to the description of each template, although any settings can be changed once the point has been added. Finally, click Add and the point will appear in the hierarchy.
Machine Sentry Next Generation.